Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making brownies in the blender with black beans. It's going to be a gluten-free recipe and packed with protein. It's very easy to do, so let's get straight into it. To start, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a 20 centimeter square tin with baking paper. Drain and rinse one 400 gram tin of black beans in a sieve or colander. Then transfer the beans straight into the Vibe blender jug. Then add 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar, half a cup of cacao powder, 1/4 cup of melted butter or coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend on smoothie mode for about 50 seconds, stopping to scrape down the sides of the jug if necessary. The brownie batter should be smooth and thick. Scoop the batter into your prepared tin and then spread it evenly towards the sides. Scatter 3/4 cup of chocolate chips over the top and press them lightly into the batter. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes and then leave it to cool in the tin for around half an hour before lifting out and slicing. These blender black bean brownies are such a great option if you've got entertaining to do but your guests might be gluten-free. This is great for kids and adults alike, and they won't know that they're getting an extra hit of protein in those black beans. They're very fudgy and chocolatey. I promise you're gonna love these ones. Give it a go for yourself and let us know what you think in the comment section below. Check out the blog for more recipes, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes to come. If you enjoyed this video today, give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another recipe.